version of me is EMPORIA Smart 4, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic text correction on this device. First of all, you need to choose all apps, scroll all the way down and tap on Settings. Then scroll all the way down again and tap on System. Following that, choose Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard and Gboard. Over here, go into Text Correction, scroll down just a bit and tap on this switcher next to autocorrection. As you can see, automatic text correction is now off, but you can always turn it back on by choosing the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!